Welcome back to our daily short videos where each day we take a little bite-sized nugget of wisdom from the world's greatest thinkers and find ways to apply what they teach us. So if you're new here, I want to give you a warm welcome. My name is Raph and I am here to help. Let's start by a quote by Marcus Aurelius. Like always, he says, "Think often of the bond that unites all things in the universe and their dependence on one another." End of quote. Now this is not by me, and it is not by some new age gluten intolerant hippie. Phrase is in the personal journal or meditation of the most powerful man in the world, Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome. And he wrote that to himself, and only to himself, nearly 2,000 years ago. All things are dependent to one another. There is no consequence without a cause. There is no fruit without a seed, nor a chicken without an egg. We are all connected, whether we like it or not. We are all members of a society, citizens of our own countries. But more than that, we are all tiny particles in the big bubble that is life. We are all united on consciousness, our laws, and morality makes of us all one. There's an ancient proverb, I think it's a Chinese proverb, that says, and I'm probably misquoting here, "When you drink from the well, think about the person that digged the hole." Be grateful that someone put the effort and sweat to build the road that you're taking every day on your way to work. Think 1 second of the person that created the screen you're looking at right now. You're part of a big picture. It is really important to realize it. The Emperor of Rome knew it. He was part of a bigger something, and within that bigger something, he had his duties to fulfill. Everything that is around you right now was made by the efforts of somebody else. Can you think of one way to celebrate that fact today? Because that is your task for today. That is your little homework. Take some time to reflect on how others every single day impact your life in a positive way, of course. So that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please gently but surely press that like button. And if you've not done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the little notification bell so that you're alerted every time I post a new video. And as always, I wish you a nice day. Please do the exercise, reflect on that, on how we are all connected indeed in what we call life. And I will see you tomorrow. Ciao.